Amber Hoxton, learning about me. Purpose statement: to make a difference in people's lives. My personal goal is to keep moving forward in my life. My career goal is to become a life specialist. My education goal is to finish college and earn a degree. My long-term personal goal is to keep bettering my life. I had my twin girls at 17. My life as a student immediately stopped. I am now continuing to do better for myself and for them. I'm choosing not to be just another basic statistic. The goal is important to me. As a parent, I've always wanted what's best for my children. I believe things happen and there may be bumps in the road, but that doesn't mean being successful is necessarily impossible. One obstacle I may have is time. I recently became supervisor in a doctor's office. Along with classes full-time and a single parent, I think I might get overwhelmed. The two strengths to help me with this will be futuristic for a positive outcome and strategic to help me deal with difficult times. My long-term academic goal is to complete college. I will be the first person in my family to finish this type of schooling. I want to be able to prove to myself that I can do anything, even with life challenges. I've had many coworkers who have been very supportive of this. I think this goal relates to my purpose statement because it will truly allow me to help others. It will satisfy my dreams of being a successful, educated mom to my girls, and to prove I can do what I need to do. One goal I might face with school is not making enough time for my studies and falling behind. One strength that will help me with this is strategic, to help me down the different paths. Another would be developer. Instead of seeing potential in everyone else, I need to direct that towards myself. My overall career goal is to become a mental health counselor and focus on life specialty. I want to help people, whether battling diseases like cancer, to help them have guidance and the support they will definitely be needing. This goal relates to my purpose statement because it has me helping people daily to make their life just a little bit easier and to remind them that they aren't alone. They don't have to fight this battle alone, whatever it is that they may be going through. Dealing with death may keep me from my long-term goal. I am not sure if I can handle that. One strength to help me is relator. I will listen to people, understand them, help them through some of the most difficult times of their lives. Belief would also play a role. People would have to trust me. I would have to hold a lot of responsibility to be there for them. I believe Valencia is going to help me accomplish these goals by providing me the tools and techniques I need to grow. Valencia has an unlimited amount of resources to walk me through the road that I face ahead. The first step in these goals is simply deciding what it is that I want.